In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from HSBC to another bank account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, it will be using the personal internet banking to allow us to transfer money from one account in HSBC to another one on a non-HSBC bank. First, to access the bank-to-bank transfers feature, log into your personal internet banking account over at the HSBC website and select Move Money and then Bank-to-Bank Transfers on the left. You will get a pop-up notification that you need to enable or accept to enter the bank-to-bank transfer function. In there, you will be able to enter the amount of funds that you wish to transfer, which account you're transferring from, and then input the details of the account you're transferring to. If you include the proper details like the account number, it should be verified and detected, and you will be able to schedule the transfer or transfer right away, and then select Continue to proceed with the transfer. As long as the account number and all the other credentials you have input are correct, the transfer should go through automatically, and you should receive the money on your non-HSBC bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from HSBC to another bank account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.